All right. What is up, traders? What's up, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We got to talk about Verasity. Okay. So we're going to break down VRA in today's video. We're going to go over the chart and you can see the clear breakout after trading in this bearish channel. All right. We're going to go over some of the bullish price targets and key areas to the upside we need to pay attention to right now. All right. Now, as always, the content provided on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only and is not intended to be relied upon as legal, financial, or investment advice. So please be sure to read through the full disclaimer. Now, back to the chart, okay? And again, what we're seeing here is, we basically had this very clean structure, guys. This was, very algorithmic selling. Whenever you see these channels, whether it's a bullish channel or a bearish channel, this is easy structure to be able to spot. All right. And what did we do? Well, we had a key support level here right around 0.0041. And once we started getting to this level, you can see that we really just stayed in the upper range of this bearish channel that we had, right? Where we were making, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And then we, basically just started to trade right around this level. We did dip down below, okay, and come down and retest the previous level. You can see we came down and retested this area of liquidity right here and this area of support. And once we did, that's where buyers stepped in and we were able to break out of that bearish channel, get above our prior support that turned to new resistance. And now we're heading up to some very important levels, right? There's three levels right here that we're paying attention to: the 61.8, 50%, and 38.2% retracement levels. Now, if you're not familiar, these are the three most common and well-respected Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay. And once we can flip this level right here to resistance from support, that's ultimately when we're going to be bullish above there. Okay. Meaning that, you can see we had this large move down, we retraced, and then we continued that downtrend, right? Well, since that moment, okay, we've moved down, and this is all healthy retracement territory to potentially continue the trend down, to continue that move down. All right, so that's what we need to be a little bit cautious of and pay attention to, as far as risk and, some of the major levels to pay attention to. Now, once you break through these, that's how you can spot a potential reversal, okay? You use the fibs to identify, retracement, continuation of the trend upwards, or retracement, continuation of the trend downwards. But as I mentioned, once you flip this level right here, the odds greatly increase of you getting a reversal, right? So in an uptrend, if you move up, retrace, and you start to consolidate and break through those retracement levels, the odds greatly increase that you get a reversal. And if you move down, retrace, consolidate, and break through those retracement levels, the odds greatly increase of, a bullish reversal. So we've got our move down, we're retracing now, and we really want to see if we can consolidate through here and get through, all right, our 61.8% retracement level at 0.00658. Okay. Now below there, we have 0.00630, 0.005486. Those are going to be the three major levels that you guys want to pay attention to if this bullishness continues to the upside. Now, you do need to be a little bit cautious, okay, because we are in overbought territory on our RSI, but this doesn't mean that you have to go lower. Take a look over here. Right? This is an area where you can see that we're extremely overbought, right? We're way more overbought than we are currently. But it ultimately doesn't lead to this, a reversal, right? What we see is we actually continue going higher. All right. And that's what we want to look for here, right? We're showing lots of strength as we did over here in the past. And we want to see, can we potentially get that consolidation that I mentioned, right? Consolidate a little and then break through and ultimately get above our 61.8% retracement level. If we do, then it's very possible we could get that, 100% retracement and retest our previous highs in this area here. And of course, if we're able to break out above there, we can go over some of the price targets to the upside and major levels of resistance. But for now, this is going to be, the key areas and the major levels that you want to watch. Now, if we do pull back, we want to look for a retest of our 0.00418893, right? If we pull back, retest off of that area, that could be another signal and another sign that buyers are trying to step in and push the price up higher for Verasity. Now, it's moving really quickly right now. It's looking good. We're going to see if we can keep this momentum up. I want to know your thoughts down below, right? Is this something you're trading at the moment? Is this something you're bag holding and, you're waiting for the next bull market and you're looking to, hold until the next bullish cycle? Or do you think that this is just a dead cat bounce and it's going to go lower? Are you going to buy it if it goes lower? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts down below.